Mahirap, talagang mahirap. Hey mga katrops, good morning! Today maganda yung topic natin kasi inspired ito sa mga comments na iniwan nyo sa aming vlog. We encourage you guys to comment or ask questions because who knows, baka yung next vlog namin, sagutin namin yung mga questions nyo. So yung napili naming comment from you guys is, bakit nga ba mas pinili naming lumipat dito sa Australia and then mag-start again from scratch, from zero? Bakit mas pinili naming mahirapan? Maganda naman na yung buhay namin sa Singapore or sa Philippines. If you are wondering why, or you're also about to make the big move to Australia, please keep on watching.
Welcome to Trauma Tales in Australia.
Ang topic po na ito ay malawak and for me, hindi enough yung 1 or 2 reasons lang to make the big move to another country. In my case, long and careful thought process po yung ginawa ko bago kami nag-migrate dito sa Australia. Siyempre, ni-research rin namin kung ano ba yung benefits ng pagpunta dito sa Australia. Inisa-isa din namin kung ano yung pros and cons. And madami din kaming kinausap ng mga friends na nandito na sa Australia and kinamusta ba namin yung buhay nila. So lahat yon kinonsider namin before kami nag-decide na mag-apply dito sa Australia. And then from there, nag-usap kaming mag-asawa ng masinsinan. And ayun, finally, we came to the decision na, okay, it's time to go, it's time to move to Australia. Siyempre, disclaimer lang po, yung mga sasabihin naming reasons ay based lang sa personal experience namin and based din sa mga experiences ng aming mga katrops dito sa Australia. We may agree or we may agree to disagree. To each his own na lang po kasi migration is a very personal topic and it's very subjective. So kung ano yung tingin nyo tama, maybe for us iba, and then kung ano yung para sa amin, maybe it's not for you then. My number 1 reason is because of Liam. And I think yan din yung nag-trigger na i-push talaga namin na mag-move dito sa Australia. And I think siguro 80% ng families na nandito sa Australia, yan din ang reason. They move here because of their kids. So bakit nga ba? We move here to Australia to spend more time with Liam because they take work-life balance seriously here. And family always comes first. There's a big difference kasi between coexisting lang with your family, between really spending quality time with your kids. Sabi nga nila, the days are long but the years are short. And I know there will come a time na si Liam, mas pipiliin niya ng kasama yung mga friends niya. So, habang bata pa siya, we want to make more memories with him na babaunin niya hanggang pagtanda niya. And another reason is, syempre, gusto namin bigyan si Liam ng better quality of life or better opportunities in life. Kasi here, he will have access to quality education, premium healthcare, clean and safe environment, and meron ring exposure to cultural diversity and so on. Number 2 reason is stability. To be honest, I don't think we have achieved the stability that we're aiming for. But I know we're getting better. Nagsisimula pa lang kami and alam namin na sobrang daming bigas na kailangan pa namin kainin bago kami maging stable dito sa Australia. Mas madami yung downs kesa sa ups and andyan din yung mas madalas yung mag-awa yung mag-asawa. And there are times that I feel like we're moving backwards instead of moving forward. But you know, we have to show up every day. We have to pray every day and just trust in God's process and God's timing. There's a purpose why we are here and hindi tayo nilagay ni God in this position para maghirap. So if you feel alone and you feel like you made a big mistake by going here to Australia, you're not alone and lahat tayo pinagdadaanan yan. Number 3 reason is security. Generally, safe dito sa Australia, makakapaglakad ka nang hindi ka natatakot na baka manakawan ka or baka ma-hold up ka. And dito sa suburbs namin sa Maitland, very quiet and very peaceful because Australians they're very kind, they're very friendly, but they are respectful and they mind their own business. So dito, safe ka rin sa mga marites. Number 4 is financial reasons or dahil sa pera. Recently, meron akong na-meet na napakabait na Filipina dito sa Maitland. And that time, I already know that we're gonna make this vlog because nakita namin yung mga comments nyo. So, I asked her, alam mo yun, para lang may ibang point of view dito sa gagawin namin vlog. So, I asked her, what's her reason? Bakit siya nandito? Kasi, at that time, she's doing 2 jobs. And then, tinanong ko siya, bakit nga ba tayo nandito sa Australia na mahirap kasi kailangan mo ng madaming work, yung iba, even 3 jobs para lang mabuhay dito. So, sabi niya, ito, very simple lang yung sagot niya. It's because of pera. Kasi in Philippines, kahit magkanda-kuba siya magtrabaho ng 3 to 4 jobs or even more, yung income niya is never enough. And dito sa Australia, as long as masipag ka lang, as long as hindi ka mapili sa trabaho, you will have a good life. Number 5 is personal growth. The thing with migrating is it's hard because we're moving out of our comfort zone. But when things get hard, I believe that this is an opportunity for us to grow exponentially as well. People who migrate becomes more independent because dito, wala ka talagang aasahang iba. Ikaw talaga gagawa ng lahat. Hindi uso dito yung helper, konti rin lang yung relatives mo. So you really have to step up and rely on yourself. Like for me, I have a full-time job. I'm a full-time mom. And then ako rin ang aming house helper dito. And I know lahat ng mommies dito sa Australia, ganito rin yung setup, ganito rin sa akin. But we keep on fighting, laban lang, kasi ito yung gusto natin, di ba? Number 6 is retirement. Ito yung nakakatuwa kasi madami sa ating mga Filipinos na even at a young age, iniisip na agad yung retirement, which is very important, diba? Dito sa Australia, may retirement benefit na tinatawag na superannuation. Yan yung magko-contribute yung company mo monthly para sa iyong super or yung retirement fund mo. Meron din tinatawag na age pension dito. So I think itong topic na to pwede naming i-discuss in detail in another vlog. Pero for now, yan lang muna yung sasabihin ko. Isa siya sa mga reasons bakit nandito kami. Number 7 is nature and climate. Sa sobrang ganda ng Australia, you don't have to travel outside of the country. And for us na mahilig mag-travel, and then we are nature lovers then, perfect na perfect talaga tong Australia because we can explore lots of places via car lang, road trip lang dito. And then yung climate, mild lang, and then may 4 seasons pa dito na syempre tayong mga Asians, tayong mga Southeast Asians, gusto natin ma-experience. For us, ideal yung Australia na tirahan. So we've come to the end of our vlog and I hope madami kayong natutunan and then I hope madami din kaming na-inspire na mga bagong dating lang dito. We're telling you, you're not alone. Lahat tayo dumadaan dito sa phase na to. Mahirap, talagang mahirap, pero we just need to keep pushing forward and just focus on our goal, diba? Ano ba yung goal natin? Bakit tayo nandito? So every time nahihirapan tayo, just think about all your reasons why you're here and always remember, hindi tayo papabayaan ni God, diba? That's it. Thank you for watching and see you on our next vlog.
Please watch our videos and subscribe to our channel.